Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll be discussing one more problem from Fourier series part, and this is part 3. And here I have considered this problem. This problem is taken from GATE 2018 paper, and it is said that xt is a periodic function with period capital T equals to 10, and Fourier series expansion coefficients for this series is given as ak. So xt equals to summation of ak e to the power jk 2 pi capital T times small t. Now same function x of t can also be considered as a periodic function with period t prime, that is 40, 4 times of 10. Okay, and here the bk is the Fourier series coefficient when we are going to take this time period t prime. Now it is given that the sum of ak, the absolute value of ak, is 16. Then we need to find out sum of absolute value of bk for all k's. That we need to find it out. Okay, the options are given. So here correct answer is C, and we are going to solve this problem. Okay. Now here t is given as 10 second. Xt, the Fourier series expansion, is given in this form. Ak e to the power jk 2 pi capital T t small t. So here we replace capital T by 10. Okay. Now the same signal x of t now with time period t prime equals to 40 second. Then xt, same xt signal x of t, we can represent in different Fourier coefficients, that is bm e to the power jm 2 pi upon t prime t, and m will be all integers, negative infinity to plus infinity. Okay, now in this case t prime is 40, that we replace here. Now this 40 we can rearrange in this form. So summation of bm e to the power j. So here we will consider 2 pi upon 10 times t, and here we will consider a of m upon 4. So 4 into 10, 40. This 4 I am considering here. So you want to equate these two because both are expression for x of t. So this is the expression for x of t. Again, this is also the expression for x of t. So comparing these two, easily we can say that bm is same as ak for this thing. The m by 4 equal to k means m equal to 4k. And k is all integers starting from minus infinity to plus infinity. And bm, here m is also integers, but when m equals to 4 times of k, then only it is ak, otherwise it is 0. It's not mentioned, means 0, right? So in other words, I can say that when m equal to 0, that time k is also 0, right? So b0 equal to a0, but b1 equals to 0, b2 equals to 0, b3 equal to 0, and b4. So I'll get m equal to 4 with k equal to 1. Thus b4 should be equals to a1. Similarly, b8 should be equal to a2. And same thing for negative side as well. b minus 4 should be equals to a minus 1. b minus 8 should be a minus 2. b minus 12 equals to a minus 3, like that. And rest are all zeros. Now you can see here in this Vm coefficient, this includes all the ak. Okay, and rest are some zeros it will include, but obviously it will include all the ak, right? Thus we can say that the sum of absolute of bk should be same as sum of ak, because rest are only zeros, and this is given by 16. Thus this summation is also 16. Okay, so if I consider more time period, so in this case we have considered t prime equal to 40, it's implied that this time we are going to include 4 cycles together, and that is for one time period, because one cycle time period time is 10 seconds, and so 4 cycles will be there. So if I include 4 cycles together, then also we can consider one periodic signal, but the Fourier coefficients are similar and their summation is same. Not only summation, if you take square of summation, they are also same. Meaning is that its average power will remain same. Okay, right. So if you like this video and if you think that this video is useful to you, please give a like one. Okay, you can press the like button, and this will obviously encourage me to make more number of videos in this channel. Thanks for watching.